Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Rene Solar Limited, and what you can see here is a long-term chart, and the first thing you need to look at is the stock has been going down since 2008. So there is a 12 years of downtrend. So if you look at the current share price action, the stock has moved 200% on the upside. This will completely or for some of the people may soothe some nerves looking at the bounce back, but you should also look at this trend in the context of how the stock has moved over a period of 8, 10 or 12 odd years. So let's just understand the current trend, then we will talk about the long term. Now you have your first support at 2.14, then 1.18, and probably your lower end of the range will be at 0.9. Yep, 0.90. So these are your important support levels which one needs to look at. Now if you look at this trend or the overall trend, what you can see here, that in the context of overall or big trend, the stock could probably move towards or till this level, okay, which is your next target and probably your big resistance at well, which is at 3.9 or $4. So in between 3.9, you can say, rather than talking about a particular number, in between 3.9 to 5.8. Let's understand this first. Now what we are saying, you can see this line, this is a big trend line, and the stock is residing on the left hand side of the line, and which you can call it as a bear trend or the negative trend. So if the stock managed to get on the right hand side or the other end of the range or the line, then it will probably considered as a breakout, okay, from the long term trend. So for that, the stock needs to go on the other side of the line, and even if the stock moves till 3.9 or 4 or 5 and again start falling back, it will merely be considered as a bounce back but a false breakout, because the stock again come back inside the range. So unless the stock moves beyond this line and stay above the line, we cannot consider it as a bounce back, and before which you have lots of support and resistance level. Now if you look at this trend, so here you can see your support level. So below 0.9 you have 0.6 on the downside, and once the stock manages to go above or on the another side of the line and stay above that, so which you can call a price in between 3.9 to 5.9, then probably it will go towards 9.9. But we are not saying something which is not happening right now. We will see how the price will move probably in the days and in the months to come, because what we can see here is a long-term trend. So once that thing happen, we will look at the long-term trend and act accordingly. Till then, you just hang out with the current trend which I have explained for the short as well as for the long term, because in a long term trend where the stock has been falling over a period of 5, 6, 7, probably a decade now, it's a decadal fall, you have very sharp bounce back on the upside, but that does not mean that the trend is changing. We will get to know once the trend will change. So understand your support and resistance level and try to manage your risk accordingly, and then think about the profits. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.